Welcome to Channel Name. Today, we're diving into the basics of personal finance, your ultimate beginner's guide. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your financial skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. Personal finance is all about managing your money, how you earn it, spend it, save it, and invest it. It's the foundation of your financial life and plays a crucial role in helping you achieve your goals, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or planning for retirement. Let's start with budgeting, the cornerstone of personal finance. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you're living within your means. The most popular method is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's simple but powerful. Next up is saving, one of the most important habits you can develop. Start by building an emergency fund, which is 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund will protect you against unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs, and give you peace of mind. Debt isn't always bad, but managing it wisely is key. Focus on paying down high-interest debt first, like credit cards, and avoid taking on more debt than you can handle. Consider using strategies like the snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first for quick wins, or the avalanche method, which focuses on high-interest debt first. Financial goals give you a clear direction and motivate you to stick to your plan. Start by setting short-term goals like saving for a vacation and long-term goals like retirement. Make your goals smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This way, you can track your progress and stay on course. Financial literacy is the key to making informed decisions with your money. The more you know about personal finance, the better you can manage your resources. Keep learning through books, podcasts, and of course, videos like this one. Your financial future depends on it. That's it for today's introduction to personal finance. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Drop a comment below with your financial questions, and we'll be happy to help. See you next time.